Hi everyone, this is Sajid and this is Venkat and we are Luma World. Most of you know about Luma World and what we do. We basically create educational experiences for age groups 8 plus to 12, trying to make learning fun for them. And we've created products ranging from board games to books and flashcards and other fun activities. And this time we are here to make a very special announcement and we're launching a product which is for a slightly lower age group.
Yeah, so over the last 3 years, whether we've been to, game conferences or exhibitions, even online, on social media, we've got parents and even other kids asking us about, hey, do you have something for my younger brother, younger sister, or for my younger child? And we said, well, this is the right time to do it. We've actually spent over 6 months trying to figure out what's the best thing that we can do for this new age group that we're going to be tackling. We've done a lot of research and we've done a lot of play tests as well. Today is when we are actually going to tell you what is the culmination of all this fun stuff that we've been doing over the last 6 months to a year.
And so here we are presenting our upcoming product, Our Amazing Oceans.